In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Xbox app having slow download speeds on your Windows 11 or 10 PC or laptop. Now, the first thing we're going to do is head on down to the search bar at the bottom and type in add or remove program. From here, with the search bar, search for Xbox, and here you can see the Xbox app. And then on the right, there are three dots. Click that and then click advanced options. Scroll down slightly until you see terminate and reset. So if you just click the terminate button, which will kill all the processes, and then click the repair button under reset, and then give that a few seconds for it to repair itself. I would hold off on clicking the reset button. You can lose your current progress on downloaded games if you do click that. Next, close out of that, head on down to the search bar again, and then search for update. Once on your Windows Update screen, what we need to do now is navigate under more options and click advanced options here. Scroll down slightly from here, and what we need to do is select delivery optimization. And before you're wondering whether we're doing this under Windows Update, if you see at the top here, delivery optimization is for Windows, Microsoft Store, and other Microsoft products. It's not just to do with your Windows Update. What we're looking for is download options, and then if we click this drop down button here, what we want to do is select absolute bandwidth limit. What that will do is you're telling your PC to use the full amount of bandwidth that your internet can currently make use of. You'll get a couple of options to be able to limit certain things. I would not touch these, but they're there if you wish to use them. Under this is upload options. You can look at this and you can choose to limit the bandwidth for your uploads. I would suggest you keep this off. This has no bearing on your download speed, but I still would just keep it off. And remember, you'll never hit the speeds that you can get on other things like Steam, but hopefully this has now improved your download speeds. If this video helped you, please consider giving it a like.